Hello there and welcome to Coming Up Next. In today's video we were going to talking about Superstar Vijay's car collection. So let's get started. Superstar Vijay is the highest paid actor in the industry. By 2017, he was the second highest grossing actor in the history of Tamil cinema. Vijay has acted in over 64 movies so far and won numerous awards for his power-packed performance. He loves cars as he has been spotted driving the Mean machine several times to various events. We take a look at some of the cool cars of Vijay. Number 1. Audi A8, one of the popular luxury sedans from the German luxury automaker. Audi A8 is a popular choice among celebrities across the world. The A8 is sold in India as A8L, indicating its longer wheelbase form. Audi A8L is imported in India as a CBU with a starting price of 1.56 crore Indian rupees. Number 2. BMW X6. BMW X6 is a crossover model and its new iteration was launched in July 2019 in the Indian market. Globally, the new X6 comes in 4 variations, 2 X-Lines and 2 M Sports. The BMW X6 price upwards of 1 crore Indian rupees. But Vijay has been spotted driving the older generation X6 model. Number 3. Toyota Innova. Toyota Innova is one of most reliable MPV in the Indian market. Vijay used the Innova MPV for his day-to-day activities. It's available with a BX6 compliant 2.4 litre diesel and a 2.7 litre petrol engine. The engine comes mated to 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission. Toyota Innova Cresta BX6 base variations is priced at 15.66 lakhs Indian rupees, while the top end model is priced at 23.63 lakhs of Indian rupees. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Ghost. It's my favorite. Rolls-Royce is a mean machine costing almost 270 crores of Indian rupees. Very few South Indian actors have this executive machine in their collection, and Vijay is one of them. Rolls-Royce Ghost is powered by a 6.6L twin-turbo V12 engine churning out 570 bhp and 780 Nm on offer. Number 5. BMW X5. The second BMW car in Vijay's collection, the X5, is the first German luxury SUV that Vijay added to his majestic range of vehicles. The Tupac-Kista owns the second generation version of BMW X5. The second generation X5 is powered by a 3.0-litre inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The older BMW X5 comes with an all-wheel drive layout. At last, Mini Cooper S. Vijay can't buy BMW cars, I guess, considering he also owns the Mini Cooper S, which is a part of BMW Group. Amitabh Bachchan too loved the classic sporty car from the German automaker. The Cooper S uses a 2.0-litre turbocharged petrol engine, delivering 184 bhp of maximum power and 214 Nm of peak torque. So, what's your favorite car? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe and comment. See you next week.